Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to like Instagram notes. We start by opening Instagram and then click on the top messages icon. Here we will see the notes that other users have published. To like a specific note, we will tap the note twice and see that the like is added. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.